This is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to log the files in our SQL server. Before in previous video I have shown you how to log the files in an XML file. So now I am going to explain you how these log files will be saved in an SQL server. For that I am going to create a new SSIS package, and I am drag and dropping the data flow task, and I'm going to right click here and I'm going to select for this logging one. And here we can see provider type. There are different types of provider file: XML file, text files, SQL file. These and about today I'm going to do out how SSIS log files are created in our SQL server. So I'm selecting the SQL server, and the next thing is I'm going to select some of the events, like what are the events. Like some events I'm selecting, like on post, on error, on progress. Like this are some of the events I'm going to select for this particular for this package. So some of the files I have selected, and for this data flow task also some events like on post, on pre-execute, on warning. Like this some events I'm going to select some of the events for that to do. So the next thing is in providers and log, I have selected SSIS log provider for SQL server. So I'm going to click add, and I'm going to click here for the configuration. What we have to do is we have to create a new connection. In this new connection I have already, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to create a new connection here. So which database in which it has to be created, so that database I'm taking this server name and everything. So my server name is this one. I have copied that, and I'm going to paste this one in the server name. So server name is there, and now mine is SQL server authentication. So I'm going to give this user ID and password, and in which database it has to create. So I have done it. Then OK. So hit OK, and here also it has been OK. So now if I see, if I am going to start this package, so start, and I'm going to stop this one. So we will see whether this log has been execution of package and what on creation and everything has been done. We will see in our SQL server. So here this is the database. In which database we have seen, this is the database student warehouse. In this I'm going to select the tables. In these tables, so we can see, I'm refreshing this. See, SSIS log file has been table has been created. Now if you want to see what's the data, select. So this is the events, like event, what event on starting, on post, execute, what are the events which we have selected, that one with that are the events. So computer and this and all the data in a particular log file. So and after that, if you come and if you execute again this one, this package, and stop, here we can see this data. So again I'll go and select this one. See again this all the four start and end this, and again the log files has been created. This is how, like, if any errors are there and that and all, where at what time it has been created. So for like that, for anything information we can come and select it and see here. So this is the process how this log files has been created in an SQL server we have seen here. So this is one of the method of logging the files used to store this log information. So this is one of the method. The other method is XML log files that we have seen in the previous video, and the next video I will be showing about how to file this one log files with in a text file. So this is in this video this is about how to do in a SQL server. So thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.